right. Bringing this along. All right, see you later, Helicadelica.
See you later.
Come on, say it.
I don't got nothing, man.
Aw, you suck.
See you later. Thank you, Brady.
Thank you. All right, Gutu's here. What's up, my dude? Nah! This is important. Gutu, morning, what up, what up?
Morning.
Oh, you know what? I was so close to wearing that shirt, and then I thought in my mind, I'm like, I have a feeling Gutu's probably gonna wear this shirt too.
That's what I thought too. I'm like, I'm gonna wear it anyway.
If that was the case, yeah, I would be like, okay, people think we're in a team.
Yeah, exactly.
So, either or. So right now, we're on the way to FedEx. We are picking up an important package that will actually help us today. And then after that, quickly going to the airport to pick up one of our friends, RWB Blackbird. Stopped by FedEx to pick up this package. It's upside down.
Oh, look at that.
Yo, check these ones though. This is the limited edition.
What? Shiny?
What? Holographic.
Man.
That's cool. It's just a box of Charmanders, man. What the heck? We'll take it. Alright, I'm gonna go find Levi. What's up, dude? Alright, package picked up. We'll see you guys at the university. Yo, we are here, and Edmonton friends, Vince. Hey, what up? Huh? You're paying me, right? Of course, man.
You want to charge $30 per hour?
Paying him with friendship. Lots of it. I gave him a keys to Simon, so he rearranged the cars a little bit this morning. Haven't actually had the chance to go around yet, but we'll save that for the vlog.
I don't know.
Yo, Ed. Brad, what up, dude?
Yo, what up, homie?
What up? Derp's car looking fresh. So shiny. It's Christmas.
Is that like legit though? Like you can use it?
It's wearable, dude.
Oh really? Oh shit.
Yo, Atsuro. What up, dude? This kid's far away from home. What is he doing? What are you doing in Calgary?
Stealthy.
Wait.
Can I borrow the helmet too?
Oh yeah, go for it, man. Cool. We have mad stickers this time. That looks crazy.
I don't know. Is it?
Yo, that's sick. Yo, Siege, I recognize the shirt. What up, dude? You ready to brawl later? It's almost time for us to take a walk. So, seems like public's already let in. Yo, Levi coming in clutch, man. Full pallet of Red Bulls. That's exactly what we needed. Cheers, cheers.
Cigarette ash, it looks like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And you say you wanna dance. You're wary, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun. What if it never ends? I'm looking.
Dude, this is actually such a sick paint job. Yeah. Actually, I'll put the owner's Instagram right on the screen here. This is dope, man. Yo, good job, man. Yo, good to see you again.
your shadow, man.
Of course, man. Dude, that thing looks intense. Good to see you again. Yeah. Take care, guys. So he's the owner of that crazy R35 Varus.
No, he really asked.
Okay, don't mind if I do. Thanks.
For Starburst in the big basket.
Okay, guys. you looters.
Seriously? I asked him. He said yes. Go right ahead.
Yo, sick, dude. Oh, you guys got the last apple juices?
Yeah.
Bastards. So this is the Happy Endings booth. War Amp. Hey. And you got the Hentai Kings. This is Jason's car too. Went from a mint to this like metallic gray. Hentai Kings. How's the drive, bro?
I'm dying.
Damn. They just stuck the Corvette motor in here. And in this one. Damn. Hey. Chino, hey, yo. Cappuccino, you don't see these often, man. Yeah, that's really dope. Got Ian's. It's like you look inside, it's all galaxy. Signing his car. Where?
Right here.
Oh, sweet, dude. Here. Just anywhere?
Yeah, just anywhere, man.
Hey, Edmonton boys, going back. Catch you guys later. Yeah, peace. Mr. Charles, sir. Look who we found. He got a picture. Hey, whoa, he's smirking. Not that big anyway. That's awesome, dude. Yo, that's cool. Yeah, for sure. Would you be able to? Kai, you been good? Good. I come from vlogs, so I have like. Right? Look who came by the booth.
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
I have to say I like the no gold.
You know what?
Have all the gold.
No, he's actually the one that ripped it off. I got tricked. Thought there was a real kid in there. Alright, parents and brother are leaving. Bye, Dad. Yo. we're all finished here. I think they're doing awards and auctions, so I'm gonna head over there. But honestly, I don't know. Probably just gonna help these guys start tearing down and then we can get out of here so we can go straight to the garage and start cleaning up for tomorrow's grand opening. Still lots to do, so very little time, but you know, it's normal for us now.
And we're gonna ask you, the stairs are on this side, guys, so just come past me, and then one of the ladies will hand you your award, okay? So the Best in Show Acura goes to a 1994 Acura Kicker owned by Derek Pons. Derek. Goes to a 2013 Subaru BRZ owned by Jason Tang. Jason. Best in Show Modern Volkswagen goes to the 2000. Best in Show GC goes to a 2010 Nissan 370Z owned by Edward Presso. And Best in Show GTR goes to a 2015 Nissan GTR owned by Zain Hassan. Zain.
Alrighty, awards have been given out. Sadly, none of us took one home, except for Jerry. He actually he won Best Infinity. But there's always next time. I know my car's not the cleanest, but congrats Jason for picking up that Best in Class. That's awesome. Now we're just taking down. We're gonna go grab some food. Hey Anson, peace out, man. Yeah, I'll catch you in Vancouver. Peace. Show's over. Hey, so you're the man. It's rollout. Dangerous to be in here right now, man. So much fumes. Alright, we out of here. So plan, drop everything off at the house and meet the other fellows there, and then we're gonna go to the Airbnb where everyone else who came from Vancouver is staying, and we're gonna have a little barbecue. Little family function, if you will, for family. Yo. What are you guys doing here? There's like a party over here. What up, bro? What's up, man? This isn't a Honda.
Wrong territory right
Damn,
there.
man. It just feels good to have the cars out again. Got Jerry, Steven, who unfortunately couldn't make it to the show. Got Shane in his newly wrapped G37 blue chrome, which looks sick, by the way. Brett, Gutu, Eddie, you got my car, and I took off the gold accents. Clean. Summer's here, guys. Is there a way through this way? Are there people living here? Yeah, please. Thanks, Steven. Here.
Yo, thank you.
Yo, what? Yo, Pups, what up, dude? What up? Ah! What? Dude, it's like a car show out here.
Dang, so many cars.
Yeah. Yeah, man, that's sick. Yo, Levi, one for the vlogs, man. RWB Blackbird, heading back home.
That's right, tired.
No kidding, get your rest, man.
Running on like 20 minutes of sleep.
You've had a long day. Yeah, we picked this kid up this morning.
Freaking Calgary's dope. If you guys get a chance, come out here.
Heck yeah.
Super respectful and just, it's dope.
Always good to have you, man. Pleasure. Peace, safe travels. And last but not least, still finishing up the front rooms here. Putting together my robot suit. Almost ready. You're gonna be on display again, don't worry. Time to put this thing back together. Hey. Just gotta fit them in. Once you got all the LED lights on the sides, we can plug them in using this secret hidden passageway. The box back on there. Here's a small preview. Plug this back in. Turn this on. Pick our color. And watch magic happen. Ta-da! So sick! This room is so cool. Alright. That is just a small sneak preview, okay? It even looks cool with just the light on. Because it travels, light travels along the lines. For reals, I'm probably gonna end this vlog here and catch you guys in tomorrow's grand opening vlog. I'm actually really stoked and excited, but also overly tired and I really should get my rest. So I'm gonna end this video here and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll try to get to it. Yes. Good night, guys. Peace.